Is your software pathing failed due to the Discord game SDK.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's repair your internal links and get you back to work. While we cover the technical fix for Discord game SDK, you can also find a professional utility to assist with workstation optimization. This DLL file is a library that allows games to integrate with Discord features. It manages the Discord-rich presence, voice chat synchronization, and social invites directly within the game's interface. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. Third-party application errors like this are best fixed by reinstalling the affected software. Download and reinstall the latest version of Discord to restore the Discord game SDK.dll safely. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing the Discord game SDK message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Protect your PC by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for the Discord game SDK. Most free DLL websites are optimized for ad revenue rather than safety, often leading users to download harmful or obsolete software. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. For users seeking clearer system diagnostics, the link in the description references tools related to managing the Discord game SDK environment. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure the Discord game SDK remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.